How to log in into Netflix account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And in this video we will learn how we can log in into Netflix account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser. And once you have opened it up, click in the search bar and in the search bar type in netflix.com. Press enter in your keyboard and that's gonna take you to the official web page of Netflix. Once you get into this interface, navigate to top right and there is sign in button, click on it. Now you'll be taken into sign in page. Here all you have to do is enter your login credentials. So first of all, you have to enter the email or the mobile number associated with your Netflix account and make sure to type in the valid email or mobile number. Under that, type in the correct password associated with your account and make sure to type in the correct password. In case you forget your password, there is a link provided right here that's going to help you recover your password. Or if not, you have an alternative to use a sign-in code to log into your account. You can do that as well, where you will receive a code and you have to enter the code in order to log in. Once done, click on sign in button and with that you'll be logged into your Netflix account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.